Happy Father's Day, Hadar. I just want to celebrate you today. Door's right here. Who is it?
Hey!
Hi.
Hey, Daddy. How are you?
Kiss.
Dad. Daddy? What do you want?
You've had some daddy fails, but haven't we all? Hold on.
No, hold on. Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh! Puke! And I said, no, he's not a puke. Oh, garbage?
Don't break his back. Goodness gracious.
Jeez. He made me crack my own wrist.
Books.
You didn't hear that. You'd kill me if you heard that. He went clunk, 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 clunk.
Oh my God.
My wrist was just paralyzed.
Oh my God. There's 23 people here today. Raphael cannot wait until you get home so you guys can play together. Surprise! Where'd he go? You don't know? He didn't know where you went.
Hi. He was always intuitive when he was a little tiny newborn. You know, he's very intuitive.
Oh no, where'd he go?
Oh, oh. It's too funny. No. Ano ma? Huh?
Thanks for another year of walking this journey with your son and doing it well. I said thank you very much.